What is cumulative length of circulatory system? Vessels means the length of the vessels. If they join together, what will be its total length? The choices are 100 meter, 1 kilometer, 100 miles, or 100,000 kilometer, which is almost a circumference of Earth, more than that. And the answer is 100,000 kilometer. How many nuclei or nucleus RBC has? 1, 2, 3, or 4, or none? And the answer is none. Yes, red blood corpuscles, they are without any nuclei or nucleus. Which part of heart has deoxygenated blood? So deoxygenated blood, which is fetched from body by veins, and it is thrown into heart, and then it goes to lungs. So that part of heart, whether it is right, left, or both, or none of them, and the answer is it is right ventricle and right auricle which has deoxygenated blood. Which blood vessels have pulse? Naturally, pulse will be there where there is a pumping of heart push the blood into, and the choices are artery, vein, both, none of them. And which blood vessels it is? The answer is artery. Okay. Which chamber produces highest pressure in the blood? Is it left or right? First of all, highest pressure, because that portion of the heart or that chamber of the heart which push the blood, oxygenated blood in the artery, will have highest pressure. So what is that? Is it right atrium, left ventricle, or right ventricle? The answer is left ventricle. The blood comes to left auricle first, from lungs, then it goes into ventricle, left ventricle, and from left ventricle it pushes the blood to truncus arteriosus into aorta. Which chamber of heart receives blood from lungs? Naturally, lungs oxygenate the blood and it is received in a part, whether it is right atrium, left auricle. So atrium and auricle, they are same, right? And the answer is left auricle or left atrium. Thank you so much, friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.